Hi, my dear students. I am Sridarsha KS, lecturer in Computer Department, St. Mary's Polytechnic College, Palakkad. Subject: Project Management and Software Engineering. This is the fifth semester subject of Computer Engineering Department. In these subjects include 4 modules. After completing the subject, we will understand how can we develop a software documentation, which are the different phases for the development of a software, which models can be used for the development time, how can we document the software development, and which risks are facing at the time of development, what are the main responsibilities of a project manager, and many more topics are covered in this subject. The first module, to understand phases and life cycle models of software development. In the first module, explain about different phases of a software and different life cycle models for development of a software. Before starting about the phases of software, we must be understand about what is software engineering. Now I give some introduction about software engineering. Today's class, I cover 2 main topics: software engineering and its importance, describe software process. Before explain these topics, I explain about the textbooks and reference. These are the supporting tools for studying these subjects. These textbooks are available in our library. You must refer that books. First, I give an idea about software. Software is a familiar term of computer engineering students. Software is a collection of or set of instructions which, when executed on a computer, accepts the input and after doing required computations produces the output or result as per users' requirements. You know this topic, software. Then now I start about software engineering. Software engineering discusses systematic and cost-effective techniques to develop a software. If you want to develop a software, we must follow a systematic or orderly manner, and it must be a cost-effective. These techniques have resulted from innovations as well as lessons learned from past mistakes. We give an idea about the development of a software. The experience is very important. Software engineering is an important technology for the development of a software. Different definitions are used to explain the software engineering. Some of the explanations about software engineering are included in this slide. Software engineering as the engineering approach to develop a software. The another one, software engineering as a discipline provides tools and techniques for developing the software in an orderly fashion. The next one is systematic collection of good program development practices and techniques. Many more explanations are available for software engineering. This is a table. In this table included some points. This is about the advantages of using software engineering for the development of a software. If we use an engineering techniques for development of a software, we must improve the required specifications and improve the quality a good quality requirements can be used. If you use a good quality requirements, then you will develop a cost-effective software, so improves cost and schedule estimates. Better use of automation tools are available, so we can use a good tools and techniques. If you use a good techniques or good tools, then after completing of product development, we will get a good software or good product, that is less defect in that product. And better maintenance of delivered software, well-defined process. We must improve our productivity and improve reliability. These are the points, that is advantages of using software engineering for the development of a software. The next term, evolution of software engineering. The early programmers used an exploratory programming style, which called as build and fix programming style. Through this method, a poor quality program is quickly developed without making any specification, plan or design. Because of limited knowledge and very informal style of programming approach, because at that time no set of rules or recommendations that one has to obey. It is guided by his own intuitions, experience and fastness. It is an art, since any art is mostly guided by the intuitions. You must be understand about at the early programmers must be used exploratory programming style, which called as build and fix programming style. This graph is included the development of software engineering, that is evolution of the technology with time. In this graph we can see x and y axis that give time and technology. That must be noted. The graph structure must be noted. The time increasing, then the technology will be developed. First is a small variations, then gradually moving. Art, then craft, then engineering. This is a non-stop graph. To analyze the evolution of software development styles over the last 15 years, it has evolved from an art form to a craft form and then has slowly emerged as an engineering discipline. Every technology initially starts as a form of art. Then it graduates to a craft and finally emerges as an engineering principles. The next topic, software process. A software process, also known as a software development life cycle, is composed of a number of clearly defined and distinct work phases which are used to design and build software. The software development project must have at least development activities and project management activities. The process activities are 4. Software specification, software development, software validation and software evolution. The first one, software specification. During this activity, customers and engineers defined the functional and non-functional requirements of software to be produced. In software specification must be specified. The requirements must be classified as functional and non-functional requirements that must be satisfied by customer. Second one, software development. It is the development activity for designing and implementing a software. Third one, software validation. In this activity, the software is checked that it works failure-free and to ensure that it provides the functionalities what the customer requires. Because the customer is main important term in the development of a software. After completing the development of a software, that must be delivered to the customer. So the customer must be satisfied in our developed project. So that must be error-free project. And explain about the functionalities as requirement explains of the customer. Then fourth one, software evolution. The aim of software evolution is to implement changes to the system due to the changes in user and market requirements. These are software process activities. Now I explain about two topics of first module, software engineering and software process. I hope that you can understand these two topics and you must learn and understand these topics. After that, I give a section for online classes. Then I will explain about these topics again. And if you have any doubts, that must be asked that at time. Okay. Thank you.